Hi, I'm Socom. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Firefox to default settings. There should be a time that you need to reset your Firefox to default settings. For example, when you're using a shared computer or the computers that are in the public space, and you want to make sure that you don't leave your login by default. Browser more likely is going to save your setting, your email, login, or any other website. So when someone comes to use the computer after you, he or she might have access to your login. And another thing that you want to think about resetting your browser when it becomes a little bit like flaky or has become like not really functioning properly. In that case, you need to reset the Firefox, the browser. When it comes to resetting the Firefox, it's a little bit tricky. Sometimes there is a button called reset button that's not showing up. So the latest browsers, it does not show, more likely it's not going to show up the reset button. What it shows you is called refresh. So the refresh button is actually what it does is it's close to resetting the browser, but it's not totally resetting. So in this case, I'm going to show you both way how to do that. So all you need to do just pay attention to this. So I'm going to launch the browser here, Firefox here. It looks a little bit clean, but that's fine. So you click on Hub here, okay, and then you click on Troubleshooting. That's what I'm talking about. Sometimes you see the reset button, but in this case, all you see is just refresh. Why? That's because what Firefox has set up is actually what we call is default profile. We're going to get into the profile in minutes. So in this case, click on refresh. It might fix the problem, but it's not really called resetting. So what you need to do is what you do, you click refresh, and it's going to clear up some cookie, all of those stuff, and it looks like it's default. So when you relaunch it, you are given two choices: restore all certain data or something like that. It should be understandable. In this case, I open it. So if it fixes your issues, all you need to do is just do a refresh button. But in certain case that you really need to completely reset it to default setting. So when you click on here, click on show profile here. This is where the default profile is located for Firefox. Don't try to delete it here, it's not going to work. And if you delete it, you won't be able to launch it. I just want to show you where it's located here. So I'm going to show you a way to reset or remove this default profile here. And in terms what we call is resetting. So you click on Start menu here, okay? You're going to do a little bit of command line here. So click on Start menu. Let me back off a little bit here. So I'm going to go to where it's located. This is called App Data here. Let me go back in here a second. Just click on Firefox again. I'm going to go to Firefox again. I don't want to confuse you. So we open it here. Right? Sometimes you don't see it, so right click it to show the menu. I failed to show you because the hub never showed up. So you click on Troubleshoot again and click on Show Profile here. Okay. So if you look here, the examine where the default profile. I just want to come back to show you how you get to the hub because it doesn't show up. So a little bit trick here is that to show menu. Now let me click it to quit it again. So I'm going to show you where Firefox is locating. So you go to, right, as you see the path here, program x386, and you click on, okay, Mozilla here. This is where you launch the Firefox. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy it, okay, and paste. And you can follow. You need to do a copy it. Now I'm going to Start menu and type the word CMD. So we're going to go to command line. Okay, when you go to command line, all you need to do is type CD, okay, and paste. Paste the path here, CDs. We're going to change into that. Okay, so and then press enter. Now you're going to type the command Firefox -P. Okay, Firefox -P. We're going to launch the profile manager here. Okay, why we want to do that? As you can see, it shows this is the profile. This is how you delete it. To delete profile means completely reset it. So You want to save it from delete it. In this case, just want to delete it to be clean. Okay. And now it's empty. Now we're going to recreate it. Click on create it. Okay. And your name, you can name whatever you want. Okay. In this case, just name what. Again, it doesn't matter what you name here. So it's gonna create a new default profile here. You click on finish. Okay. Now you click on start. It looks like a refresh, but it is totally new. So if you want to click it to you want to make it default, that's fine. But normally I just uncheck it. I don't want to go make it default. Okay, and here this is fresh. Okay, you want to right click on here and click on menu. That's what I love to do to make it show. Now it show up just exactly the same as it was before, except everything is clean. So this is how you reset it. And in the case of missing the reset button, this is how you reset the Firefox. That most people are having issue how can't find a way to reset Firefox. So this is a solution for those who have trouble trying to find a reset button or try to reset Firefox. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.